Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I don't know if you remember this one. This is when I hooked up a bunch of stuff to my workspace. I found a way that we can do this so much simpler. So I'm going to try tonight. This is my base paint. It's Artist Loft Flow White, and I mixed it with Floetrol. I have a lot of colors, so I'm going to put those at the end, guys, because I might even just take a picture, a snapshot of them at the end. But I do have some extra white in here, and I think I put a little bit of satin enamels to put in between the colors. So this is the tool we're going to use. This is, I got this on Amazon, but I got the idea from Jody from The Painted Dreamer. She's been using them for transfer swipes. I'm going to use it for this, and when I spin my paints, I'm going to put the paints, layer them in here. I'm going to spin slowly and then just go like that, and hopefully we get a nice effect. We'll see. So this should be a short video, I'm thinking, unless I really goof it up. All right, I'm going to put you over here a little bit. So I think I want to end with white. Whatever we put in the bottom of it is what we're going to, what's going to come out last. And then, which way do I want to go? Oh, I want to go this way. Blue. So I've got lots of colors mixed up, so don't have to, oh, that's, you know, it's really thick. Shoot, I thought I had, a little white in between. And then we're going to go purple. And we're going to go red. Oops. And then we're going to go white in between because there's already white there. Oh, it's going to be pink. That's okay. And orange. And then bright yellow. Whoops, I meant orange. I'm going to do orange, bright yellow, then pink, because I could do orange, pink. Oh, shit. I think I want the pink to come off first. So far, so good. And I want lots of it. And I'll end with white. So it's started to come off already. So I'm going to have to do this pretty quick. Whoa, Wilbur. Okay, I'm going to spin it. Whoa, I don't want to spin it that hard. Nope, not at all. And there's all my pink over there. Shit. You know, well, guess what we're gonna do? Since it's already started. This I plan on using for my blooms. So here we go, guys. We're gonna do it. Wipe it off in between. All right, it's a holy mess, isn't it? Let me let the colors come out first. That is a divot. I don't like that. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. I'm gonna put some paper towel up just for giggles. back there because I just cleaned and painted all my surfaces here. Not that these are going to stay. Stay. Stay, please. Okay, I should have put up a board. All right, here we go. Oh, that's ugly. It's funny because I've said that before about some other ones and they turned out really pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm losing my grip here. All right, we're gonna let it sit for a minute or two and see what we got. It's not exactly what I wanted. Oh, this kind of sucks too. Let me give it a torch and give it a minute. Always so patient. I might take some of this off. Not digging it. What do you guys think? Tell me now. Oh, I'm gonna scoop it along with the rest of the paint. All right. Oh, forgot to put you back. Well, it's a good reason. I'm gonna scoop some of this off. Dang it! I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I didn't turn you guys around. All right, here we go. There's parts of it I do like, but I don't like all this. Too much neon. All right, I got most of the paint in. And most of it's on my hand. All right, I'm gonna use my hands this time. Oh, right into it. No, it's not. That works out better, and then I can just wipe my hands off. Better, much better. Oh yeah. Okay, spinner winner. God, I've got something on these floors. Guys aren't even in frame. Here we go. I think I like it. Kind of cool. I have to say I like it. Might not in the morning, but that's how it goes, eh? There's a bald spot right there. Can't leave it. But I can put down some pink and purple. Totally bald. Not even close. I love this. It's my favorite part. That's from the previous pour. Okay, I have a big mess to clean up, guys. Wow, look at this, it's on fire. Well, my original plan didn't pan out, but there's always plan B. Perfect. Oh, nope, that's just some cells coming through. So this is going to develop a little bit more. I'm still not happy with that center, really. Better. All right, I can live with that. Yeah. Seems like there's still paint coming off. Yep. I better spin it a couple more times. All right, stop touching it. Wow. I'll have to see what it looks like in the morning. Oh, that's right, it is morning. Like 3 o'clock in the morning. Jeez Louise. Yeah, I wanted to try the neons out because I haven't really worked with them. but I kind of like this. And I've got just enough of the more neutral colors in it to make it not in your face. That's in your face. It's got some interesting features. All right, I'm going to shut you off and I'm going to clean up, then I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. So, what started out as an experiment ended up a nice piece. That is my favorite part right there, all those colors blending together. But I'm really glad I did this to save. Man, it was a save. That corner, whoops, where did it go? Wow, the neon orange you can't see with the light. How is that? Oh, there we go. Too close. There we go. It's actually neon orange. It's not yellow. It's coming up yellow on my camera, probably because it's fluorescent and it'll probably glow in the dark or under a black light. But yeah, isn't that pretty right there? Oops, still too close. It's a bright piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm not giving up on the other one. Probably glow in the dark or under a black light. But yeah, isn't that pretty right there? Oops, still too close. It's a bright piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm not giving up on the other one. I'm gonna figure it out. So I put a little bit, oh, I'm gonna show you the colors in just a second too. I'm really liking this. I'm liking all the cells coming up. It's still developing, so in the morning it might be a little bit different. So these are the colors. Thylacine blue, brilliant blue. I mixed these two up together. It's a color shift in light aqua green. And then we have the neons right here. And I mixed these two together. It's the red and the quinacridone magenta. And then we have deep violet. So that's them. Wow. Anyhow, I will say goodnight, sayonara, see you later, and thank you so much for tuning in.